Hello, good morning mga kamaniho. Long time no walang tawag nito. Walang trip. Now I'm going to Alain. What's this? I'll pick up a small car from there. I'm going to Abu Dhabi. I'm going there without load. Now early in the morning here, around 8 o'clock in the morning in UAE. I'm checking my trailer, make it ready, and then I'll go now if it is ready. Now tire is good, diesel is good, full tank. Now I'm ready to move Alain. Yes mga kamaniho, see you there in Alain. Babush. Mga kamaniho, please subscribe my channel. Help me to grow my channel. Please subscribe and like. Thank you.